Many of us have seen these videos here on YouTube of individuals stating that you can make money online by listening to music. In this video, I will reveal to you the truth about making money online by listening to music, how you can do it using real websites, and what to expect, realistically. I'm certain that most of us are sick of watching YouTube tutorials that only present false information. They make claims that you may earn hundreds of dollars per day and a very promising full-time income, only for you to discover later that they are lying to you in order to gain views. We show you how to earn money online in the easiest method possible, so subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we release a new video on how to make money online and you can get started right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. Now, let's get back to the video. Recently, here on the channel, I frequently get inquiries regarding legitimate opportunities to earn money online while enjoying music. So, in this video, I've chosen to compile a list of 5 genuine and doable ways to make money while enjoying music. Along with revealing 5 different approaches, I'll also go over the precise earnings you might anticipate from doing this. And you can decide whether or not this is the ideal opportunity for you as a result. Therefore, I just want to be transparent about how much you can expect to earn by doing this prior to going over the list of websites that will enable you to make money while you listen to music because, as I already mentioned, there are many videos on YouTube that give the impression that it is possible to earn a lot of money and make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per day. However, the information in those videos is not accurate. Most of the time, they simply say whatever would increase their number of views. And I can assure you that it is difficult to make hundreds of dollars quickly because, if it were true, the individuals making the videos would be sitting around listening to music rather than making those videos. It is true that listening to music may help you make additional money online, but you must approach it with the proper mindset. And this is in no way at all a means to earn a livable income online. It is a method to generate some extra side income. It's clearly not the best approach to make money online for free. However, if you enjoy listening to music, it may be a method to supplement your income. And in this video, I'll also teach you where to go for information if you're looking for even more efficient ways to make money. But for the time being, you now know what to anticipate from this income potential. Let's now review the list of 5 legitimate approaches to earning money online by listening to music. The first pick on this list is Current, which is an application. As a result, if you enjoy listening to music on your smartphone, this is a possibility. It also provides other opportunities to make money, such as paid assessments and a few other tasks, but you can also just leave it running while you listen to music and make a fair amount of money. They also state that you may make up to $600 each year, as you see here. It is not assured since this is what is possible. Of course, that depends on how frequently you use it, where you reside, and a few other factors. However, the fact that you may join it regardless of where you reside is wonderful. Furthermore, the payment barrier is really low, you just need to make $1 to withdraw your money. Additionally, they provide a variety of goods and the option to pay you in cash through PayPal. As a result, both the threshold and payment options are excellent. The next website is Slice the Pie, where you can get paid to express an opinion on music. In fact, there are situations when you may get paid to provide feedback on apparel or other goods. Also, in a few instances, through completing assessments. Although it pays fairly, it's still not a method that will generate you a substantial amount of money. Furthermore, there is no assurance that you will always be able to listen to music here. Additionally, you should be aware that not all nations offer it. Although they are not entirely certain which nations actually have it, it is apparently available in the majority of English-speaking nations. However, simply visiting the website is the only method to know for sure if you may join from your nation. If you are able to visit the website, you may sign up and begin making money by evaluating the music you listen to. You may use PayPal to withdraw your money in cash once you have made $10. Since there isn't always music accessible to listen to, it might still take some patience to reach the payout threshold, even if it is a rather modest one. The next website is Hit Predictor, which is accessible from essentially all nations. And it may be rather exciting because, in the majority of situations, you get to evaluate songs and provide input on them before they are officially released. Therefore, if you enjoy listening to new songs, this is a fantastic way to do it. However, there are no assured earnings with Hit Predictor, unlike the other websites on our list, which is a drawback. What you earn on this platform is points, and you may use those points you get to enter a monthly drawing or a weekly drawing for an Amazon gift card. However, you will not be able to withdraw them as currency or anything of the kind. And winning the raffle requires luck as well. Therefore, it's not the best approach to making money. In all honesty, without luck, there is no assurance that you will make money. Use one of the other sites instead if you don't enjoy that kind of gambling. However, if you really enjoy discovering new music, this might be a fun way to spend some time. And at the same time, you'll have an opportunity to win some very great gifts. The next option is AM Music. It is an app that allows you to make money using your phone and where you can genuinely generate money just by listening to music. There are no other restrictions, and you may make money simply using streaming services like Apple Music, Google Music, or Spotify. After joining, you may listen to one of their playlists and start earning as you progress or as you earn. Additionally, it is accessible in nearly all regions. However, the nation you live in will determine how much money you can make. To meet the payout barrier, which is $2 for Bitcoin payments and $5 for PayPal payments, you will need to be extremely patient and wait a number of days. However, if you enjoy listening to new music or to up-and-coming musicians, this app may be worthwhile to explore because you will essentially be earning passively. All you have to do is leave your phone's playlist running. However, you need to know that this takes time to generate decent money. Playlist Push is the final legit website on the list. And in order to apply on this site, you must really have a Spotify or a TikTok account. In comparison to most of the other sites on our list where you may earn regardless of your experience, Playlist Push is one of the sites that have particularly severe requirements. However, if Playlist Push accepts you, you might earn up to $12 for each music review you submit. This is up to you, and it's not promised or anything of the kind. You must understand that this takes a lot of work. It's not exactly a quick and simple way to make money, but if you already have a TikTok account with a sizable following or Spotify playlists that have a sizable following, this may be a chance for you to discover new music while also making a little additional cash by reviewing songs. You may join from essentially all nations as well. Additionally, you may use TransferWise to withdraw your profits in cash once you have made $20. As a result, it also provides a really great payment mechanism. Overall, approaching this with the proper expectations is crucial. Making money online by listening to music is limited and will most likely not replace your job, but it can be a decent way to make a side income if it's something you enjoy. The websites I provided you with in this video are just a few legit ones in which you can truly make money while enjoying music. I hope you found some valuable tips in this video, and that's all there is to it. Before we leave, be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we release a new video on how to make money online or new innovative strategies to achieve financial freedom. And you can get started right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be hesitant to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or comments about it. With that being noted, have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video.